Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, DVD system, traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, power lift gate, navigation system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.